Yo guys, we are back for another review. For those who don't know me yet, this is Yap's Tech Review. So if you're new to my channel, please, and if you like this kind of review, please do like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you can be notified when I upload new reviews. Okay, so let's start, guys. Our review for today is about Ace LED TV 32 inches. Okay. I bought this around 4,800 something to be exact. Okay. This is the normal LED TV 32 inches which has HDMI, PC input, 2 USB 2, and says high definition. Okay, I will remove this box so you can see the actual unit. Okay, this is the model here, 328. Okay, this is the screen of the, let me fix the okay, this is the screen. The freebies, ang freebies niya po is this manual thing and the tools to be used for the bracket, for this kind of bracket. Okay, para sa stand niya. And then we have this kind of remote, so medyo okay naman siya. Buttons are good. Okay. Don't worry, batteries are included if you buy this kind of LED TV, so you don't have to travel. Plug and play lang po, and then diretso ka na ma-watch ng TV. And then very basic lang po yung mga pindutan niya, and nothing new. Okay, so for let's try to look at the back. So kung anong available niya, iusog ko lang po tong video natin, camera natin. Okay, let's look at the back. Meron yan. Sinaksakan ko na po ng I've inserted the USB for the kasi I've not connected to any cable provider, so I use the media file na lang. And then this is the audio, and then sa baba po there's an HDMI. Okay, HDMI, 2 HDMI, and then the digital output, and this is for the cables provider. And then here, nothing furthermore. 2 USB, and here is the earphones. Okay, I'll flip back, and oops, wait lang po. Okay. Okay. So here it is. We're going to review this 32 inches LED from Ace. Okay. Let's play this. Actually, the settings, guys. This is the source, and then the menu. Settings is just, wala po akong ginalaw dyan. Brightness, contrast, sharpness. It's all in the box. Out of the box. Pagbukas ko, yan na po yung picture niya. And then siguro sa sound, medyo I change a little bit. Sa sound niya, siguro I make it I'm the person who wants to have a little bit of treble and a bass para may konting effects. I actually tried the surround sound, but technically, sad to say, para sa akin, much better if you customize it na lang. Okay? Just it na lang dito ng konti. Yan. Okay, let's play. And plus, if you can hear the sound, actually, the sound is the volume is quite decent. Malakas siya. Okay? As compared to my previous, halos same lang siya. Actually, parang much louder siya compared to the Ginsa one, the Ginsa model. And then, slick din. Very simple yung design. And then, let's see. Let's play. I will play it for you guys para if you can hear the sound and the quality of the video. By the way, this is the Ragnarok that I'm using. I'm using the Blu-ray version of the video so that you can see if malinaw talaga siya. Okay, let's play it. And as you can see, the brightness are good. And then, okay, pati yung quality ng video is okay din. Okay, let's tune down the volume a bit. It's only 45. Okay na po yan. Actually, medyo malakas na po yan. Pag nilakasan ko pa siya. Ano mo? Let's try. Tingnan natin kung basag siya. Let's forward a bit. Doon tayo sa medyo may action para at least.
Never know what you're thinking.
Yeah.
Oh no, Thor's in a cage. How did this happen?
Forward tayo. Forward. 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 Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, doon tayo sa may laban para medyo ano. Okay, yan. Look at the sound, guys. Malakas na yan actually, guys. Hindi siya basag pero na-add ko ulit siya. Gawin natin mga 45 lang. I don't recommend too much loud kasi kawawa rin yung speaker. Look at the video muna po. Okay, I'll pause it na, guys. Okay, here's my verdict, okay? Okay yung sound niya, but I don't recommend maximizing it to 100, okay? Para to prolong the speaker, syempre. Lahat naman ng items ngayon made from China, so syempre meron ding you have to take care of it. So a lot of our viewers keep asking me if kumusta ito ngayon, how is it, gumagana pa ba, like how long, kailan binili, how much, okay pa ba ngayon, is it still working? Well, guys, basically my answer is my frequent caller, isa lang ang sagot ko lagi dyan. It all depends on the user. The user should also make sure to take care of their LED TV. Okay? First thing, syempre, kailangan mong alagaan yung sa sounds mo. Huwag masyadong malakas, diba? Kung hindi ka naman siguro bingi or ano, huwag naman masyadong malakas. If you want a larger sound like cinematic view, like movie style na parang kang nasa sinihan, gamitin mo yung audio niya sa likod. Okay, yung audio jack niya, bili ka na lang ng siguro maybe an amplifier to amplify the sounds and make it a little bit more louder and more bass, more treble, like that, para mas cinematic effect. It's good. Okay? Huwag mo lang i-volume ng malakas dito kasi baka masira eh. Okay? 39, it sound good na yan. Okay na yan. At a distance of 5 meters, 5 to 6 meters, okay na yan. Ayaw mo rin naman sobrang layo because it's a 32 inches LED TV. So far, it's not really good. Hindi mo na rin masyado makita. Unless you upgrade it to a much bigger LED TV. Okay. And then, what can I say to this TV? Malinaw siya. Sound is good. If I give it a 1 to 10, sound is really nice. Nasa around 8, okay? Not too very nice, but it's quite decent na. Tapos, quality and the videos, as you can see naman, hinaan natin. Makikita mo naman yung quality niya. Medyo okay. Mahina na nga. Actually, mahina na nga yan, pero malakas pa rin, di ba? Ayan, the quality okay naman. The brightness, if you nakukulangan ka pa, bawasan mo na lang ng konti yung brightness, saturation, and contrast. I-adjust mo na lang But for me, okay na siya. Wala nang kahit walang galawan, okay na yan. And then, what can I say? The unit is good. Okay? This is a basic LED TV lang guys ha. Basic LED 32 inches. But, kung gagamitin mo lang siya for its use, basically for watching, kung meron ka namang mga, if you want some medyo upgraded version, like yung mga, you want some Netflix, you want some YouTube, maybe you can consider buying an Android. This is just basic for itself. So maybe I haven't tried the Android itself, but sa standard pa lang niya, I'm quite surprised na okay naman na siya. So it's good thing na meron si Ace na ganito. Meron kasi ako mga natatry din na may ibang TV and so poor yung kanyang quality and color renderation. But for this one, okay siya. And then, ano pang pwede kong sabihin dito? Very basically, super basic typically ang mga specs niya. But for me, okay na to. And then, if you want some cheap para sa ano mo lang, if you're going to use for your CCTV, pwede na to. And then, gagamitin mo siya for mga video okay. Or pang sarili, pang TV lang. And you have the, naman, yung mga tinatawag na mga Chromecast, mga Mi Box, like that. Yung mga pang yung meron na siyang equipped with Netflix, YouTube, etc. etc. You can connect here. Kasi HDMI naman siya ready. So, pwede mo na siyang kabitan ng mga ng mga like mga galing sa computer. Pwede rin. Okay, PC ready naman na siya eh. So, yun lang guys. So, if you have more question for this unit, guys, feel free to message me in the comment box. Comment lang po kayo and I will try my best na sagutin lahat ng mga questions nyo. Hanggat kaya ko, ma'am and sir. Okay? So, yun lang guys. This is it. Ulitin ko. This is Ace brand na LED TV 32 inches. If you want to see the model, this is the model. I will flash it to you. Okay, this is LED 808. Kung if you happen to want to know the model is that. Oh, siya lang yon. Okay guys, thank you for watching guys. Hope you like this video. If you have comments na may gusto pa kayong pa-review na ibang mga LED TV, let me know in the comment box and I'll try to see to it na ma-accommodate ko yung mga gusto nyong pa-review ng mga TV. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching guys. I hope you really have fun. Have a nice blessing. Have a nice day. And God's love you. Thank you all. Thank you for listening. Thank you guys. Bye guys.